friends, this is Better Body Foods organic chia seeds. It's 907 grams, that is 2 lbs. I got this from walmart.com. I did an online order. I'll tell you about the chia seeds benefits, friends. Friends, this is boiling hot water. I just boiled this water for making some rice, but I'm not going to use this water now. So I just take this boiling water. I pour around half cup or mostly 3/4 cup. So friends, there's a scoop already inside and it is a very big spoon, but I don't need that much because this chia seeds will swell up. I'm just taking half a spoon and putting in this boiled water. That's more than enough, friends. So friends, I will keep it at least for some 20 minutes. Good morning, friends. How are you all? Welcome to my channel, Archie Chowdhury. Hope you all are doing fine on this Sunday morning. Hope you are enjoying my videos which I've done and I'm doing, and I'm taking a lot of effort doing these videos and bringing up some good topics and good information about many things. So friends, today I'll be sharing what I do with the chia seeds. I came to know that chia seeds are very healthy for our overall health. So I have taken of your Better Body Foods. I hope you can see it. Better Body Foods organic chia seeds. I ordered this from walmart.com order, and it is very good. So friends, I just took half a spoon of chia seeds, like this much, and I soaked it in very hot water. Here's my hot water and it already soaked up from past 30 minutes. So this is how it looks, friends. I hope you all can see, and it is swelled up in size. You need very little and it becomes of so much, friends. So friends, I already soaked it and I told you how many minutes I soaked it in hot water. This is how it swelled up and it looks like a gel form. And friends, this chia seeds has 5 times more calcium than milk, 7 times more vitamins than oranges, 3 times more iron than spinach, twice the potassium and just one, and it has a lot of good contains of banana, and 8 times more omega-3 than fish. People who don't eat non-veg and who are vegetarian, the chia seeds are so good because it has so much of omega-3 and all, friends. So sprinkle this in almost any kind of food, wherever you like. You can even grind them and put it in the smoothies, and when you're making tortillas. It also helps in thickening the smoothies, in addition to providing a lot of nutrition. And friends, the chia seeds even gives you a lot of energy and stamina, strengthens the immune system, and it helps even in weight loss, and it normalizes blood sugar levels. It's good for cancer patients. It's good for arthritis if you have joint pains and arthritis in your knees and joints. So it will get rid of all that, and cleanses your colon also, friends. And it gets rid of toxins, reduces inflammation and promotes sound sleep, prevents cancer, as I already told you. Then and it is even good for digestion, knee pain, hyperactivity disorder, joint pain, as I've already mentioned. Horses also can eat this. It's a good horse's feed also. It gives you that much energy. If you're low on energy, where you feel very low and you don't feel like getting up from the bed, it will make you instant energy also, friends. So it's good for your, it can even make a very good pet food also, friends. So try it on your pets also, and any amount of this chia seeds in your daily intake is very good for your, and it balances your hormones. All the womanly problems goes away with this. The woman's problems also gets very good boost in having chia seeds afterwards. And it even gives healthy skin, healthy hair, healthy nails. It is good even for biotic things also, friends. This has a lot of fiber and makes you full for a long time. So friends, now that you have seen how I soaked it and how I did everything, it's so easy. Now you just take a little honey and just add in half spoon. Sorry, my spoon went off there. So I just take a drop of honey. Don't need much. Yeah. So I just took a drop of honey, a dash of honey actually, and I stir it properly. Now I take half a lemon. And I squeeze its juice. I won't be putting all the juice because it's a big lemon. I just add some drops. So friends, this much is more than enough. Actually, if you like lemon more and if you can control your lemon well and you love lemon, I take little less lemon in drinks like this, but I like honey. I just stir it well. See friends, now I'll drink and show you. It's so good. And friends, this you should always take on an empty stomach. Once you wake up after brushing, just take this early in the morning and drink it, and give a gap of at least 1 hour before you take any breakfast like tea, coffee, or any breakfast you are having. But you can have this so much, it's so healthy for you. If you take this 2 times in a day, it's very good friends. And this you should after dinner also, if you take, it will help you in losing weight so much that it's a booster just to lose weight friends. So it's so healthy. But you should at least wait for 45 minutes after your dinner. That's the rule. And before 2 hours in the night before you sleep. This is also very good in fiber and makes you have a restful night's sleep. So friends, it's so nutritious. I love this drink and it gives the tangy flavor. It's so nice. Try it out friends. And if you liked my video of chia seeds and its benefits, like it, share it and subscribe it friends. Hope this video was very informative for you. I love this drink so much. You can add this on smoothies, foods, and your favorite foods also. You can just sprinkle on the top half spoon and eat every day. It is always a health benefit to have all this healthy foods. It is such a super food actually, I must say. Thank you friends. Enjoy.